So this is the slow mastificating juicer. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So you can use this for your vegetable, fruit juice extractor. This has dual feed in it with a chutes and unique juice outlet switch for shortening your prep time. These are easy to clean, okay guys? And let me unzip this. Take it off. Man, look at this. This is what you need. That's where you're gonna lock the user at. Alright, it's like a gun. Just put it on the hole and then twist it towards the sky. Press the red button, twist it. Just like that. Super easy. This is available on Amazon. I'll put the link on the description down below where you can get this. This is the best one in the market right now. Okay, if you like to juice up, let's go.